Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, gearheads and enthusiasts. Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate guide to the world's top 5 best wheel speed sensors. Get ready to rev up your knowledge as we dive into precision, performance, and reliability. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's roll. Number 1. Newys set of 4 front rear left driver and right passenger side ABS wheel speed sensors. Engineered for precision and durability, these sensors ensure accurate readings for your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. Crafted with high-quality materials, they offer reliable performance and seamless integration into your vehicle's braking system. With a set of 4 sensors included, you can ensure comprehensive coverage for both front and rear wheels. Say goodbye to unreliable speed readings and hello to safer, more responsive braking with Newys ABS wheel speed sensors. Upgrade your vehicle's safety today. Number 2. ACDelco GM Original Equipment Front Wheel Speed Sensor. Designed for precision and reliability, this sensor ensures accurate readings for your vehicle's traction control and anti-lock braking systems. Crafted to meet OE specifications, it guarantees seamless integration and optimal performance. Its durable construction and advanced technology make it a top choice for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to unreliable sensors and experience peace of mind on the road with ACDelco. Get yours today for unparalleled safety and confidence in every drive. Number 3. OPCTY Automotive ABS Wheel Speed Sensor, your go-to solution for reliable rear wheel monitoring. Crafted with precision, this sensor ensures accurate detection, promoting safer driving experiences. Its ABS technology guarantees swift response times, alerting you to any wheel speed variations effectively. Engineered for seamless integration, it effortlessly fits your vehicle, enhancing overall performance. OPCTY's commitment to quality shines through in every aspect, promising durability and longevity. Upgrade your ride with confidence with the OPCTY Automotive ABS Wheel Speed Sensor. Number 4. OPCTY's ABS Wheel Speed Sensor Front. This essential component ensures precise detection of wheel speed, crucial for optimal braking performance and stability control. Crafted with durable ABS materials, it promises longevity and reliability, even under challenging road conditions. Designed for easy installation, it seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's system, providing accurate data for safe driving. Upgrade your ride with OPCTY's ABS Wheel Speed Sensor Front for enhanced driving confidence and peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Premium ABS Wheel Speed Sensor Compatible. This cutting-edge sensor ensures precise detection of wheel speed, enhancing your vehicle's safety and performance. Crafted with high-quality ABS material, it guarantees durability and reliability even in the most challenging road conditions. Its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles makes it a versatile solution for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. Say goodbye to erratic ABS warnings and hello to smooth, responsive braking with Premium ABS Wheel Speed Sensor Compatible. In conclusion, the wheel speed sensor plays a crucial role in vehicle safety and performance. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or upgrading your system, understanding its function is key. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates and informative videos.